In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all history from Google Gemini app. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to tap so you can clear your past prompts and responses in a few quick steps. This is useful if you're tidying up your data, troubleshooting odd suggestions, or you simply want a fresh start. Keep in mind that deleting history is permanent and may affect personalization, so proceed only if you're sure. Start by opening your Gemini account. That simply means launching the Gemini app on your phone or tablet and confirming you're signed into the Google account whose history you want to remove. If you use more than one account on your device, take a moment to double-check the profile icon in the corner so you know you're in the right place. This small check helps make sure the changes apply exactly where you intend, and it prevents accidentally clearing the wrong history. Next, head into Settings. In most versions of the Gemini app, you'll get there by tapping your profile picture or avatar in the top corner and then choosing Settings from the menu. Some layouts show a small gear icon you can tap directly. Don't worry if your screen looks a bit different because of app updates. Look for the familiar gear or the profile menu and you'll land in the right spot. Settings is where your app preferences and data controls live, so this is the hub for managing what Gemini keeps. Now, open the Activity section. Think of Activity as your history dashboard. It shows your interactions with Gemini, including chats, prompts, and generated results. This area is designed to be transparent, letting you quickly review what's stored before you remove anything. If you want a moment to skim recent items, this is the best place to do it, so you're confident about what's about to be cleared. Finally, choose Delete to remove your history. Inside Activity, look for the Delete option. You may be offered choices to remove specific entries or to clear everything. If you want a complete reset, select the option that deletes all history. The app may ask you to confirm your choice, and that's a helpful safeguard. Make sure you're deleting from the correct account, then confirm. You might also be prompted to authenticate with your device lock or another security method, which is normal. And that's it. You opened your Gemini account, went into Settings, selected Activity, and tapped Delete to clear your history. Remember, deletion is permanent, so it's worth reviewing items before removing them. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, feel free to replay any part to follow along again.